Hello, I'm Dumb Kitten. In this video, we'll start transferring textures from the original model. We'll transfer them to the converted MetaHuman model. First, open the Maya file saved at the end of Part 1. In this pose fixed file, let's process the original model's materials. Rename each body material and assign distinct colors to them. This helps identify each part and avoids confusion later. Next, export the body as an FBX file instead of an OBJ. Open the file with the transferred MetaHuman model from Part 2. Assign a material to the head with a proper name. Do the same for the body with a suitable name. The next step is quite critical. Ensure all UVs for baking are placed in the first quadrant. Otherwise, the baked textures will turn out completely black. Next, export this converted MetaHuman model in FBX format. Open Marmoset Toolbag, a commonly used industry software. We'll use its baking feature to complete the texture transfer. First, import the original Kratos model and configure its materials. Import 4 textures: normal, albedo, roughness, and metallic. Configure the remaining materials. We'll handle AO and others later. Note: pay attention to the roughness and metallic settings. Disable sRGB, as these are single-channel textures. Now import the converted MetaHuman model. Click the bread icon at the top to start baking. Drag the original Kratos model into the high group. Drag the converted MetaHuman model into the low group. Click the Bake folder to configure the baking options. Set the resolution to 4K and click Configure. Check the albedo, roughness, and metalness maps. These are the textures to transfer. Ensure they are selected. Select the save path and choose PNG format. Give it a clear name for easy identification. Select Low and set the max offset to 1.5. This cage thickness is appropriate, though models may vary. Adjust it appropriately based on your specific model. Go back to Bake and enable multiple texture sets. This supports multi-material baking for MetaHuman's head and body. Settings are mostly done. Scroll up and click Bake. After baking, click the Preview button to check the results. It looks good. Focus primarily on the skin areas. Other parts are hidden under armor, so don't worry. Naturally, transferred textures won't be 100% perfect. We'll fix flaws in SP, just ensure the basics are fine. Let's discuss AO transfer, which differs from roughness or metalness. You can't use the AO channel. Swap albedo with AO. Treat AO as albedo to bake and transfer it separately. Select only albedo and rename the file to avoid overwriting. Once baked, the AO texture transfer is complete. The transfer is done. Marmoset makes this process quite easy. The next task is to repair the texture flaws. Crevices like eyes, mouth, or armpits often have issues. Use the clone brush to sample nearby areas for repair. Fix it in SP or any software you prefer using. Many tutorials cover this, so I won't demo it here. Once fixed, simply re-export your textures. Back in Maya, assign the fixed textures to MetaHuman. You only need albedo and normal. Set normal to raw. Set tangent space normal to preview the final effects. Delete the original Kratos eyes, lashes, and teeth meshes. Keep only the armor and beard and apply textures. Texture conversion is complete. Save the file just in case. Next video, we'll start with the MetaHuman rigging. Keep creating and keep the passion alive. See you in the next one.